So, looking at coordinates then with interpreting and plotting, but we are looking in the different quadrants. Okay, we have a 4-quadrant graph today. So let's have a look at this question. We have got a 4-quadrant graph. Okay, this part here is our first quadrant. Okay, that's our first quadrant. Okay, in this section here. Okay, quad, is 4. Okay, like 4 wheels on a quad bike, 4 sides on a quadrilateral, 4 muscles in your quadricep in your leg. Okay, so the first quadrant is that top right hand side. The very first coordinates you learn to plot are in a first quadrant graph. Okay, so take these parts away. That's what you're used to maybe. And now for GCSEs, we need to be confident with these now in all 4 quadrants. So let's have a look. We need to write down the coordinates of point P. Now P is here, so we are going to be starting, okay, at 0. You can see, remember we go across first, okay? It is the x-axis first, then the y-axis, okay? Across the corridor, up the stairs, x and then y. So to get from 0 to get to P here, we have to go across 3 and then up 2. Okay, so when it goes to the right 2, you see these are positive values, like a number line. And these are positive values, so it's going across 3 as a positive 3, and then going up 2 as a positive 2. So using this to help us now, if I put the letter R here, okay, so I'm going to use the letter R. So here, this coordinate here, start in the middle. This time, our x value would be -3. And then our y value would be 1. Remember, it's +1. If I had a coordinates here, and let's put the letter T. So T then, starts in the middle. My x value would be -2, and my y value would be -3. Okay, it says y there for you, so you've even labelled it to make it clearer. So x first, then y. So look at the questions that they've got here for us. On the grid, plot the point 0, 3. Remember, start in the middle, okay? That's called the origin. Okay, so if I draw a little line there, start at the origin. So 0, 3, start there. X value first is 0, therefore I don't have to move. My y value is 3, that 3 is positive, therefore I go up, put a little cross on the point, and label a point with a Q. And then on the grid, plot the point -2, -3. X value first, -2, remember start in the middle, start in the origin, -2, and then -3, which would then be down here. Let's make that a bit more accurate. -2, -3. X value, y value, but I have to label the point with an R. So start in the middle, X comes first, so across the corridor, and then up the stairs for the Y second. Okay, X first, Y second. Hope it helps.